How to recover deleted thread post. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the procedure on how to recover deleted thread post. You can recover deleted thread post by checking the recently deleted pin or section. So open your Threads app onto your device, and once you are logged in, you press to the profile initials at the bottom right corner of the screen and go to the menu from the top right hand side corner of your screen. When you go to this section, you will be able to find a lot of these options. Go to account from the list. You could select recently deleted, or you could just go to activity section. So likewise, this following option isn't available in the thread section, so you have to open Instagram. And when you go to the Instagram application, you then need to just go ahead and select the profile initials, tap the menu bar from the top right hand side corner, go to your activity. You can find recently deleted in this page. You could select the photo or image, and that's how you're going to recover deleted thread post. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.